What's up guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best headlamps on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Petzl Tikkina Headlamp. The Petzl Tikkina is a budget-friendly and user-friendly headlamp that delivers excellent value for its price. This versatile headlamp can serve as your reliable all-around lighting solution. It remains lightweight even with the batteries installed. While it doesn't come with a rechargeable battery, it features Petzl's hybrid concept technology, allowing you to use both the included AAA batteries and a USB rechargeable battery interchangeably. This dual power capability provides you with extended battery life for extended adventures. If you're into climbing or cycling, you can also consider purchasing mounting hardware to attach the headlamp to a helmet, offering hands-free illumination. During testing, the battery life of this headlamp exceeded expectations. While Petzl claims a 5-day runtime on the lowest setting, our tests demonstrated it lasting over 7 days. In summary, the Petzl Tikkina offers impressive longevity and functionality without breaking the bank. Number 2. PETZL Actik Core Headlamp. The PETZL Actik Core is a classic and lightweight headlamp that excels in versatility and practicality, making it a solid choice for various outdoor and everyday activities. It's easy to set up right out of the box, and despite its minimalist design, it doesn't compromise on comfort. With 3 brightness levels and classic red light settings, this headlamp is adaptable to different situations. It features Petzl's hybrid concept technology, offering a dual battery option for USB charging and AAA batteries as a reliable backup. This portable headlamp is a valuable tool for a range of activities, from adventurous pursuits like backpacking, hiking, camping, and running to everyday tasks such as walking the dog or navigating your home during a power outage. It's also versatile enough to be mounted on a helmet or bicycle with additional accessories. Number 3. Petzl Bindi Rechargeable Headlamp. The Petzl Bindi is an ultralight and compact headlamp that's designed for runners and adventurers who prioritize minimal weight and portability. Weighing so little that it can fit in your pocket, the Bindi features a lock function to prevent accidental activation during storage. This makes it an excellent choice for early morning or late night outings when you need a reliable light source without adding bulk to your gear. The headlamp's flexible tilt and slim, adjustable cord-style headband allow for versatile wearing options, including around your neck or on your head. It's designed to stay securely in place even during dynamic activities like trail running. The micro USB rechargeable battery aligns with the lamp's minimalist design and eliminates the need for carrying spare alkaline batteries. Number 4. Coast FL85R Headlamp. The headlamp you're describing is well regarded for its durable construction and powerful beam. Its twist focus feature allows you to switch between flood and spot beams, giving you the flexibility to customize your lighting for different scenarios. With a rechargeable battery and the option to use backup AAA batteries, this headlamp offers extended usage times. It's an excellent choice for individuals who require a bright light that can illuminate long distances. Due to its substantial weight, this headlamp is best suited for activities where the extra heft is not a significant concern. It's perfect for fishing trips, hunting expeditions, or mountain biking adventures, especially with its hinged beam that can be adjusted for various angles. Number 5. BioLite 750 Lumen No Bounce Headlamp. The BioLite Headlamp 750 falls into the luxury headlamp category, and it's worth the extra cost for those who require a long-lasting battery. This headlamp is ideal for extended backpacking trips, and it includes a micro run forever USB cable and an additional battery device to keep it powered. While it may be slightly heavier, the weight is distributed towards the back, ensuring comfortable wear. The moisture-wicking material of the headband is an appreciated feature, particularly for highly active users. The burst mode is a valuable addition, providing an extremely bright 750 lumen beam for 30 seconds when you need it. Moreover, there are 8 combined light settings, and most of them are dimmable, allowing for customized illumination in various situations. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.